Today, we are going to discuss PulseCooling Technology for injection molding. So, this tech came from CETO, Cooling for Industry and Tooling Optimization, way back in 1980. And look, it's not just about, better cooling. It's really a fundamental shift in tackling today's pretty complex parts and those super tight processing needs we're seeing. All right, let's break down the key things you need to know. First off, how it works. It's all about controlling the mold surface temperature precisely, dynamically. Forget just focusing on the water lines, okay? There's a sensor right near the molding surface reading the heat from the melted plastic. When that surface hits the exact temperature needed, bam, the controller sends a really calculated short pulse of cold water, full blast, turbulent flow. Now, this is completely different from just, say, cutting back continuous flow, which can cause thermal distortion, or using warm water, which lets temps drift all over. Second, you get way better part quality and consistency with pulse cooling. C, by only cooling when it absolutely needs it, you create this soak time. This lets heat gradients, those uneven heat spots, kind of settle down naturally, making things cure more uniformly. This really knocks out thermal drift, that uncontrolled temperature change that's the root cause for stuff like warp, sinks, distortion, you name it. And get this, the system instantly compensates for outside stuff, like changes in room temp, day shifts versus night shifts, or even water pressure changes. Finally, let's talk efficiency and cost. The ROI here is pretty great. You're going to see higher production output because recovery and warm-up times are quicker. Plus, it barely sips water, takes a huge load off your plant's main chiller system, and uses almost no power. We're talking maybe $10 a year per zone. Oh, and it's low maintenance too. No extra motors or pumps needed for the cooling part. If you have a new project, reach out to True Position Plastics. They can help you with all things injection molding. Visit their website at www.truepositionplastics.com.